The heart of every good home is the kitchen, and in this special segment we're focusing in on what makes it tick. We head to Adelaide into renowned chef Adam Swanson's own home for some tips on kitchen design, some food stories, and of course a mouth-watering recipe to get you inspired.
Hi, I'm Adam Swanson, and today's recipe I'm cooking up a silky smooth, sexy crab pasta with pappardelle and mascarpone cheese. Okay, to our garlic, 2 cloves, just chopped up. Olive oil into the pan. Garlic. Chilli, this is up to you. This is optional extra. I like the chilli just for a little bit of heat on the back of my palate when I'm eating my pasta. So we're just going to add a quarter of long chilli. Now we need to allow the garlic and chilli to just saute away there for a minute. In with the crab meat. Okay, fresh crab meat in like so. Get your heat up nice and high. With a spoon, just breaking away the crab meat so there's nice little even pieces. Time for the pasta to jump in the water. Okay, back to our crab. Nice. So you can see the crab has started to change colour, so we're cooking where it needed to be. Brandy, a splash of brandy. This is a little tip here. Just highlights the beautiful sweetness of the crab. Pasta, just give it a little stir to unravel the nest of pappardelle. Typically, people would think mascarpone is used for tiramisu. No way. Mascarpone is super versatile, and in this traditional Italian recipe, you know, crab pasta with pappardelle, I'm going to use it right at the end. It's going to enrich in my sauce and make it really luxurious and tasty. Fish stock, splash. Just your tin cherry tomatoes. There you go. Using the back of the spoon, just break the tomatoes like so. So we need to allow our sauce to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, reducing down. Just keeping an eye on it every minute or so, giving it a stir so it doesn't stick to the sides. Once our pasta is ready, out of the pot, we'll put all this together. I guess my philosophy on life and cooking is keeping it simple. You know, this recipe says it all. I've got 4 or 5 ingredients, cooking it really simply, gonna end up with a beautiful plate of pasta. So when you're thinking about designing your kitchen, same rule is to apply. Think about simplicity, simple lines, simple positions of the cupboards for your pots, your plates, where your dishwasher is, your sink. Don't overcomplicate it. Enjoy life. All right, to finish our pasta, we need to chop up some parsley. Okay, our sauce. Oh, just exquisite. Adding the mascarpone, take it off the heat and just dollop in a nice portion of the mascarpone like so. And just allow the heat, the residual heat within the pan to allow that mascarpone to start to melt. So what's gonna happen, that beautiful mascarpone is gonna make a nice and rich sauce, and it also comes a rosé, so it changes color. Look at that. Grab our pasta. Gentle with those ribbons. Strain off all the excess water. Now I always allow the last minute of the cooking of the pasta in the sauce. This way it takes on all the flavour of your sauce, and in particular the beautiful crab pasta sauce here. Just work it through. Some parsley, cracked pepper, just a pinch of salt, okay? Crabs from the sea, from the ocean, we don't need much salt at all in this dish. Fold those ribbons, and now look at the colour of that sauce. It's changed from that beautiful mascarpone. It's just taken it to the next element, which I love. Look at those ribbons. Just for garnish. There you have it. There's my silky, sexy, smooth crab pasta with pappardelle and mascarpone. If you're keen on this recipe, head to the Open Homes Australia website or check us out on Facebook and Instagram.